Good afternoon. Myself Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, Government College of Engineering, Segipati, Tanjavur. Today, I am going to talking about the packages and Java doc in Java. So we know that Java packages is defined as it's a collection of predefined classes and interfaces. So normally in a programming language, the packages will be called as pre-processor statements in C and C++. So normally, by using these packages, we can obtain this n number of advantages. One is, but through these packages, we are achieving the concept of reusability, and also we are avoiding the problem of naming collisions. It means that if you have a same name of the function definition exists in two different packages, we are able to access it with the help of package name dot method name, so that it is easy to avoid the problem of naming collisions. And third one, it avoids the problem. Even if the large project we have, it will be divided into smaller modules so that it can be implemented in the form of packages. So that it's easy to maintain all the packages and also easy to organizes the entire project through this packages concept. And also through this packages, we are controlling that accessing properties. So that through this we have a number of access through the access modifiers. We are controlling the access of the packages. So normally there are two type of packages we can have. One is a built-in packages. Second one is called as a user-defined packages. So generally for built-in packages, there are 7 type of packages will be supported. So for input and output operation, we can use the packages called as IO. And for handling errors and exceptions and predefined data type objects, we can go with the LANG packages. Normally this LANG package is default packages will be implemented in the Java. And third one, it's a network for networking application. We can use the package name is called as a net packages. And for handling the SQL connections, that is called database application, we can go with SQL package. And for abstract window toolkit for creating IO-oriented application, we can go with AW2 packages. It means that AWT means that it is abstract window toolkit. And for handling the client server concept application with the GUI, we can go with applet package. And for handling advanced features in our Java, we can go with util packages. Through the util package provides data structure, predefined classes for data structures, for date, time, calendar information, for tokenization, everything is coming under util packages. So once again, I can repeat. So package is called as a collection of predefined classes and as well as interfaces. It's a group. Means all the predefined methods will be grouped together into a package. So that with the help of packages, we are achieving the concept of reusability, avoiding the name collisions, better organization of the large projects, and providing that access control. There is a controlling access through access modifiers, and also easy to maintain the entire project with the help of packages. So generally, there are two type of packages possible. One is built-in packages, or maybe we call as a predefined packages. Normally in Java, there are 7 type of predefined packages we have. For networking application, we can use a net package. For handling database application, we can use SQL. For handling advanced features of predefined advanced features, we can use util packages. For for client server application with the GUI, we can go with AWT and applet packages. So we'll discuss about AWT, applet, and language packages in later part. And next one is a user-defined packages. So normally, means we can create our own classes as a package, and we can access it. So the syntax for accessing a package is package name dot the class name. There is a syntax for accessing the packages and the class which is defined under the package. But the basic condition is once we want to create our any classes as a user-defined packages, the classes and methods which is defined inside of the class must be a public. Otherwise, we are unable to access all those classes and methods outside of the file. So that is a basic condition we must to follow. So here the steps are, first of all, we need to define a package as a first statement. Otherwise, if we are defining the package statement other than the first statement, the compiler makes an error message. Second one, we are going to define the predefined classes along with the methods with as a public method. And then compile the program with the Java if1d. Then what is the location for your class file? Then we can give a file name to Java. Then create a main method to access the classes. Okay, we have to discuss this concept package with the help of one simple example. So here assume that I'm going to create a applications for arithmetic operations. So that I'm going to create my package. So package is a first statement in my code. So that package, my package name is arithmetic. So here I'm going to create a class. So class name is called as class arithmetic is my class name. Always the package name should not be similar to the class name, so that it must be a different. Then only we can able to differentiate at the time of accessing. So here I'm going to perform addition of two numbers. So add, there are two arguments I need for integer numbers. We know that while you are implementing the concept of any packages, the class must be on a public. That means we need to controlling the access property so that it will be called as public. So then only we need to create this is a package. So just I'm going to compile this. To compile this a program. So sorry, I forgot to put a semicolon. We know that every statement in a Java program has to terminate it with a semicolon. So now compile. So see that there is a folder will be created and that a location. So there is a folder will be created. That is the name of the package. Inside of that, there is a class file will be stored inside of arithmet.c. Now we need to create another one more Notepad application to access that. So I'm going to import it. java.io.star. So then I'm going to import a class. So my package name is array, and my class name is arithmetic. So class, this is a main method. I'm going to say public. Takes a one command line input. My function name is add. So system.out.println. Small correction. Here I forgot to create an object for arithmetic class. So we are going to create an object for arithmetic class. Arithmetic. So we are going to access all the methods with the help of objects. And that Java. Now I'm going to compile javac.java. So that is a spelling mistake. That is a strings mistakes. So successfully the class files will be created. So now I'm going to run my file java.m. So that addition will be returned. So for in case if I'm not interested to create a public, this means I have to change it. This is a public. So now first of all, I'm going to compile this. No errors. I'm going to compile java m.java. That there is a error will be created that it is not a public in arithmetic, so that we are unable to access that method in outside of the package. So whenever you are going to create any packages, it must be defined as a public. Otherwise, we are unable to access it. So this is a very, very important thing we must remember while we are creating a package, so that all the methods, all the class, all the constructors, all classes must be defined in public once you want to make it as a package. So no errors. Now I'm going to run it. It is a 7. So normally, if you want to read, we will read it as a function. I mean, just we can read it as a Notepad document, but here we don't have any proper HTML requirements that it have some less readability, so that we need to understand which is a function with our own. Instead of that, we can use a command as a Java doc, and if I'm going to say arithmetic.java. it will create a HTML representation of the file for same thing. So it will create a Java so that generating all the HTML files. So now if you want to know about that, just you can go your locations and you can read out what it is. So it provides a HTML file representation for providing the easy readability. So in that it's a class arithmetic. So that for packages, it supports the default packages lang and it is an arithmetic package. Arith is a class name. Arith is a package name. Arithmetic is the name of your class. And so here it will source like that. And these are, that means the packages will be extended. This is inherited from object property. And the default constructor will be work and it will be assigned as 0. Inside of that, there is a method will be display. I mean, it's defined. So that a method is not called the add. It takes a two argument. One is A, another one is a B, and the return type of method is integer. So once if you want to know that, you can discuss it. What is the method details will be displayed here. So, and this is the constructor that we have. And even if you want, we can use these type of methods along with our codes. And if you want the details about the package will be as arithmetic. So here we don't have any predefined packages and all. And if you want to know what is the class file. So then hierarchy. So that arithmetic file will be stored under java.lang.object. Inside of that it will be stored. So then is there any index to access? This is the method. So and these are some of the constructors. So that from that what you understand that Java doc command, it will create a HTML file. I mean the HTML file to clear to find it increase the readability of our Java code. Clear? So this is the way we have to use the concept of packages, and we can use a Java doc command. We can use for any document for getting the readability of the program. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.